Using the Solution Center application. Solution Center is an embedded solutions framework or ESF application that simplifies document management by capturing, processing, and routing files to your preferred cloud platforms. It supports popular cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, and more. This video shows you how to manage document workflows, configured in Cloud Solution Center portal, directly on Lexmark MFPs using the Solution Center application. Before you begin, ensure your printer meets the pre-requirements. Viewing solutions. From the printer home screen, touch Solution Center. View the available solutions categorized as personal, organizational, and shared. Select a solution to view details, including the workflow steps and file settings. Running workflows. The Quick Run feature allows you to run pre-configured workflows instantly. Select a workflow and click Next to proceed. Viewing quotas. Navigate to the quotas page to check your used pages for actions like OCR, translation, and redaction. Managing steps. Manage workflow steps and configurations to ensure smooth performance, with file sizes optimized for standard workflows, translations, and email. Configuring OCR. OCR enables editable text conversion. Select the output format and apply settings. Translating documents. Translate documents by selecting the source and target languages. You can choose up to 5 target languages per document. Redacting sensitive information. Use redaction to mask sensitive data, such as personal identifiable information. Configure presets or define custom rules. Sending emails. Send documents via email directly from the printer. Select Send me a copy for automatic delivery. Configuring cloud storage. The cloud storage feature enables seamless integration with platforms like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, and SharePoint. Configure your preferred platform and upload files instantly. Viewing Summary. Navigate to the Summary screen for an overview of configured workflow steps. Thank you for using Solution Center application, your one-stop solution for smarter, faster, and more efficient workflows.